Today we're creating a design inspired by one of nature's most breathtaking events, an eclipse. Let's get started. First, apply a coat of black gel polish to the entire nail. A solid black base will make the eclipse colors stand out beautifully and add extra depth to the final design. Cure it for 30 seconds. Now, apply a coat of black glitter gel polish. This adds a subtle shimmer to the background and gives the design a beautiful, cosmic look. Cure it for 30 seconds. Using a piece of tape, cut out a small circle that fits the size of your nail. This will help create the perfect eclipse shape. Carefully place the tape circle onto the center of the nail. Press it down gently around the edges to make sure it's fully sealed, as this will help create a sharp and clean eclipse shape in the next step. For this effect, I'm using a white powder. This will create the bright glow around the eclipse and give the design a soft, radiant appearance. Using a soft powder brush, gently apply the white powder around the edge of the tape circle. Focus on creating a soft, even halo, as this glowing ring will become the light surrounding the eclipse. Carefully remove the tape circle to unveil the finished eclipse effect. The bright halo surrounding the dark center perfectly captures the magical moment when the moon passes in front of the sun. Now it's time to move on to the next nail. I'll start by applying a thin layer of blooming gel. For this design, I'm using a cat eye gel polish. The magnetic particles create a beautiful beam of light, making it the perfect choice for capturing the glow of the eclipse. Start by applying the silver cat eye gel polish. The subtle shimmer adds depth to the design and creates a beautiful base for the next steps. Next, apply the gold cat eye gel polish. Layering it over the silver adds warmth and creates a beautiful blend of colors. Gently blend the gold into the silver. You don't need to mix them completely. The blooming gel allows the colors to slowly flow into the black section. Now, use a cat eye magnet to position the shimmer exactly where you want it. Take your time until you're happy with the effect before curing the gel. Finish the design by applying a layer of top coat. This will protect your nail art from daily wear, smooth out the surface, and enhance the overall shine. And that's the finished design. I really like how the soft glow and dark tones come together to create a subtle eclipse effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next nail art tutorial.